How to track tokens with MagicSea. Launch the app. Then connect your wallet. Then navigate to Explore and click on the Tokens tab. Here you can see all tradable tokens on MagicSea. The first section is your watch list. Here you can see all tokens that you favorized. More on that later. After that, you have the top movers. These are the tokens with the most price action in the last 24 hours. Below, you have a list of all the tokens that can be traded on the MagicSea DEX. For example, let's click on the wrapped IOTA token to open the detail page. Here you can find more information about the token. Starting on the left, you have the current liquidity, the volume over the last 24 hours or 7 days, and the total transactions in the last 24 hours. On the right, you have 3 different charts. The first one is a bar chart with the daily volume of that token. The second one is a line chart of the liquidity over time. The third one is a candle chart of the price. Scrolling down, you can find a list with all pools where this token is part of the liquidity. Also, some additional informations about the liquidity, rewards and volume of these pools. Scrolling back up, we have the option to directly trade that token or add liquidity. We have a dedicated video on both topics. Click now in the top right to view one of them. Above that, you can see a little star. Click on it to add this token to your watch list. If I now navigate back to the All Tokens page, it appears under the watch list. This was how to track tokens on MagicSea. Follow us on Twitter, check out our DEX under MagicSea.finance, and if you want to learn more, watch our other videos. See you soon.